Mr MK amabhangane wajabulanga kenzakaleni fana
hayi angeke sesijabule ngoba siphethe umuntu ozogembula la ucoach wethu ungathi ugemblile ngale emabhethi ngoba angeke uthi i-line up ewinayo every match sibuya ku 3-0 ushintsha that line up shothi ngamanye amagama awufuni team iwine uthengisa league angeke sithi usilephe akisho ukuthi wrong usilephe but how come umuntu na more than 6 months angeke kweteamini umfaka ku first 11 is it normal wazi ucoach wethu uzothi sikhuluma kabi kodwa kufanele sikhulume ngoba siyahluthuka makunjena umuntu ona 6 months angeke kweteamini umfaka ku first 11 is unprofessional.
Angitshele Mr MK le uSlepe wasn't the only person coach as surprising ngaye fana. We also saw in the second half a player fana like Morocco also being given a chance. What do you think of such? Oh, it's in the second half Simbonile coach also giving a player ngajwayela ngokudlala like Morocco a chance. What do you think of that?
Wazi bhuti omdala lento ukuthi unika ama player I chance mase kuso asisho ukuthi lawo ama player are wrong oMariko ba right already but isebenza igame uyina ngecombination so noma umuntu angaba right kanjani as long icombination ingekho eteamini ayikho into izoba khona ngoba besine line up esiwina ngayo sibuya ku 3-0 masishaya emagesi ushintsha that combination ushintsha ku midfielder and ibhola liku midfielder wazi mawunga break that midfielder i-team already soyibulele angeke isahlangana into oyenzayo ngoba combination ayisekho i-midfielder iye-control igame noma i-try ngamaziphasi waziphaswa i-midfielder so wena mawuzoshintsha i-line up i-last game uzoletha uSlepe umuntu na more than 6 months angeke kweteamini shothi ngamanye amagama disrespect i-team kwamanje sold out ama-ticket aphume same day aphela same day ngoba abantu i-team bayayithanda wena uyiboni yonke lento le mawucoach ohloniphayo abantu bathenga ama-ticket aphela same day wena mawufika la uzobamba i-draw 14 is lose 14 i-draw is lose so ucoach number 2 uMbutuma asalo uyamthanda hayi ukuthi mhlambe ama-player asiwabuyi but uMbutuma akathi uhlala phansi to be honest sifuna ukuwina la asenzele umuntu ifavor ukuthi usibani bani akathola ichance sifuna ileague uMbutuma akathi ukuphumuzwa ulethe ungwana asese
so i-man of the match yakho so ukuvala mfowethu Mr MK i-man of the match yakho for today wongayinika bani
i-man of the match benganika uWapolice konke okufuneka ebholeni ukwenzile uWapolice but inkinga mawuzodlala into yakho information ye-team yabona ayihlangani i-combination le team ibebaka ibhasi the only simple thing ucoach kumele ayenze njoba akhipha uhoto eda phambili akuthi ukhipha i-defense ufaka i-defense ngabe ufuna i-goal I don't understand ukuthi coach is it normal ufuna i-goal usafaka i-defense ucoach akahlonipha i-team this is Orlando Pirates le bench iyahlonishwa i-TS Galaxy isebenzile asinika 3 points uyabona nje bangibhale kanje operation thatha zonke TS Galaxy isinika 3 points team usukazi still wena uyibuyisela emuva leyo 3 points ujabulisa izitha zethu izitha zethu lijabulile njengoba sidrawile so ucoach please respect us respect Orlando Pirates a big team Orlando Pirates is not a small team baba
mamela Mr MK yazi ngicela senzeni ngicela sivale ngeprediction yakho yasembombela what's going to happen eMbombela next week
eMbombela iscore is 3-1 3-1 iscore
ubani ozowina
siyawina obvious sewine kunzimeni kodwa lapho ayikophuka inyawo
uzophuka inyawo
and okuye mfowethu bese ngikhohliwe ama team lawa basiplenenge man to man bayazi abafana bethu bane skill but ku physique asiko that so much so bayenza man to man so ucoach ufanele ukhulume nama player lizani ibhola in time ngoba abantu bashaya ngephysique bona badla ipapa ama player wethu adla ucheese so ucoach akakhulume nama player afunda igame ukuthi igame ime kanjani ngiyabonga bafowethu
ngicela sivale
asibonga
Mr MK bafethu please subscribe danko